Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha listened to the 127 Mann Ki Baat program of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at booth number 30 of Takarjala mandal. On the event, along with the Chief Minister and other BJP members participated in this program.
Chini, Model President Yaktika, Chini Siamsano, was to Chini, Takorokli, our Magnus, Tabo, Satino Sogui, Man visiting Panama.
On the last Sunday of every English month, Prime Minister Narendra Modi participates in Mann Ki Baat. This Sunday, to listen to the Prime Minister's 127 Mann Ki Baat, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha went to the booth number 30 of the Takarjala mandal. Chief Minister Professor Dr. Manik Saha, along with Mandal President Nirmal Debarma and other party workers, listened to Mann Ki Baat. In the state, the BJP also organizes Mann Ki Baat program in various places. Starting from the Chief Minister to many other leaders and ministers, they sit with party leaders and workers at various places and listen to Mann Ki Baat. Pure report, Chini Khorang.